Hey everyone, welcome to DIV Lab. This is the first video of our channel. Yeah, we always want to start a new channel about our hobbies and stuff we make and some electronic stuff, since we got multiple requests from like our friend and the community, but the team was too busy with projects. But here it is, so I'm very excited to do this. Yeah, so this is the Elegoo Mars Pro 2. I believe that I'm among the very first person that received this machine. Yeah, since I heard from many people from the US that they will receive the machine in like earliest like Friday and Saturday. So it's really lucky for me, Amazon Canada ship it just one day. Yeah, that's amazing. Alright, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the box is not much different from the recent box. So they changed this quite a bit. Yeah, so now they have the Elegoo Mars Pro 2 and the Mars C. Yeah, I believe that the Mars C is already available on Amazon already, but yeah, these guys selling like hotcake guy. So just grab it while you can. Let's open it. Okay. So excited, guys. Alright. Okay. I'll show you this. Yeah, it's very easy. So, yeah, the manual. It said the Mars Pro 2. Yeah, so they did have something new in here. Alright, the box that came with it, toolkit. Okay, everything is pretty much the same. You got the scraper, power adapter, and the gloves. Different color. Yeah, this one, and this scaffold. The USB, I'm gonna change it anyway. Yeah, pretty much the same from what you're gonna get with the other version. Alright. Oh, extra REP. Okay, so let's open this guy. Alright, I'll put it here. Okay. Alright. Okay. So excited, guys. Okay, it's pretty much the same. Alright, the new build plate. Cool. So I put those two together so you guys can have a okay, here it is, guys. So I put those two together so you guys can have a comparison between them. Yeah, so they are pretty much the same. I think the housing is the same. This is a Mars, not a Mars Pro. I believe that the Mars Pro is like exactly the same. Yeah, just different in the LCD is 6 inches right now, and the build plate it's different between them. Yes. And yeah, they use the same container. Alright, and the LCD is different between them. Okay, let's turn this guy on. Yeah, the Z-axis is from the Mars Pro. I love this one. Yeah, no wobbling and very stable. I believe that it's already looped. Yeah. you have the carbon filter here as well. Alright, let's turn this guy on. Cool, it does say Mars 2 Pro. Yeah, that's nice. Still the noisy fan, eh? Okay, yeah, very smooth and sturdy. I like that. You know, the main reason that I go for the Mars Pro when it's released is because of the zero. It still have the carbon filter, the same as the Mars Pro. I did some print test with the, you know, I have too much. Yeah, so the carbon filter is pretty much the same with the Mars Pro, but you know, I did some print tests with this machine, and you know, the smell is much better than the Mars Pro. Usually when I print with the Mars Pro, my room, I cannot stay in my room, but this one is really okay. Yeah, I think that they did some improve on the filter. Yeah, the significant new improvement of the Mars Pro 2 is the 6-inch monochrome LCD. Yeah, this one will have your resin curve faster than the other version. So usually you will take like 6 to 8 seconds to curve the resin, but now you only need 2 seconds. Although the exposure time is reduced by 4, the printing time will still affect by other aspects as well. In a real test, one of my projects needs 11 hours to finish, but right now it only needs 6 hours. The UV light is greatly improved as well. Visually it's bigger than the Mars, and it's different from the Mars chiclet from Mars Pro 2, which got the vertical line problem that many users have experienced. You can see in the picture that is a beautiful light show. You will also have slightly bigger build plate as well. The new build plate right now is 140 by 84, but the real build volume is only 130 and 80. Elegoo also help you cut down the big knob, so right now you have some extra Z as well, together with the same linear rail that go with the Mars Pro. It's not really a disappointment, but I expected more from Elegoo, you know, because next month Frozen will release their 4K mini, and that one have 4K resolution for pretty much the same build. Some of you usually play with miniature, might want to take that into consideration. Yeah, but to be fair, the Frozen 4K have lower Z-axis, and some of you might not like that. To me, the improved Z-axis is a must. For me personally, some of my project is already 150mm, so the improved Z-axis is really important to me. So the print test turned out really well. It's just some very small detail that it cannot achieve. And this one was printed by the default profile, so I believe that by tweaking the profile you will still get the result you wanted. Okay, for the exposure time, it's not ideally 2 seconds for all of the settings. As you guys can see here, for the 2 seconds, you guys can see that you lost many of the detail. This one, almost all of the detail is visible. Yeah, so it's really depend on what you print and how much detail it is. While Anycubic will release their new machine later this week, and also the Frozen 4K will be shipped at the end of September, so you guys might want to take that into consideration. For those of you who concerned and really care about the resolution, I believe that you guys might want to wait a little bit more on the Frozen, or maybe another upgrade version of the Mars. In the future, maybe Elegoo might want to upgrade their LCD into like 4K version. And also, if you don't really care about the Z as much, you can get the Frozen 4K for next month. I will try to get my hand on the other two machines as well. Let me know if you guys want a review and comparison between those machines in the comment section below. Okay guys, so to sum up, I really like the machine a lot. the improvement is really significant. You have better printing time, better operation. If you guys already have some Elegoo product, I know that this guy is what you really want right now. Okay guys, so that's everything about the Elegoo Mars Pro 2. If you guys like the video, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. If you guys don't like it or have any opinion, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching.